It's the combined 115th and 116th quarterly meeting of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers. The meeting, which is the first for Governor Sim Fubara since he assumed office 6 months ago, comes at the time the state is embroiled in a political crisis between the governor and his immediate predecessor.
I must say this. If I don't say it, I will not sleep tonight. This council supports this our goal. This council have told me to tell you they will give you all the support you need to succeed.
While assuring the governor of their support, Chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, Chidi Awuse, wants Governor Sim Fubara left alone to concentrate on delivering his promises to the people of the state.
All those outside parading themselves, whatever trying to spoil things, should stop forthwith. They must stop forthwith. 1 million social media influencers cannot win one local government election. They should allow you to work. You are elected to work, and you must be allowed to do that job.
For his part, Governor Sim Fubara says he will continue to defend and advance the interests of the state.
I assure you that I will not fail in this responsibility, nor will I surrender our mandates or progress to intimidation, blackmail, and deliberate sabotage. I affirm my earlier statements and recommit myself to the path of peace, as there is nothing to gain in a state of endless crisis.
He also wants the traditional rulers to maintain their integrity and never compromise their neutrality and courage to speak truth to power.
Because it is only the truth that can set us free and guarantee inner peace. It's important. Look at me and tell me the truth. Look at every one of us. When you err, you are a traditional ruler. Tell your subjects you are dead.
While expressing concern to the plight of youths, especially those in rural areas, Governor Fubara says his administration will prioritize and provide sufficient funding in the 2024 budget for health, education, and social services.